Hey y'all, this is my recipe, my steak bite recipe. I found it, I can't remember where, but anyway, my sink is clean. Worry about yours, don't worry about mine. I use chuck steak. You can use whatever steak, but I like the taste of ribeyes, but you know, ribeye steaks in general are expensive. But anyway, long as you get you some steak, get your Kinder's steak seasoning. You want to make sure you put your seasoning on there. You want to make sure you use your olive oil, your parsley, your Kinder steak seasoning. I use onion powder and garlic powder. Make sure it's well coated and let it marinate just a little bit. Those are the ingredients that I did use. Do not use much salt because Kinders already have salt in it. And once again, my clip is gone for me cooking my steak, but those are my potatoes. You can use an air fryer. Don't have an air fryer, so I use my oven. Had it preheated at 400. Cut your potatoes up. Make sure your potatoes are evenly coated with the olive oil, your Kinder steak seasoning, your garlic powder, your onion powder, and you toss it up. Make sure it's coated really, really well. My hands are clean, so I use my hands, okay? Make sure they're evenly spread out on your baking sheet. I put a little olive oil at the bottom of my baking sheet just to make sure they have that crisp on it. As you can see, I have my oven already preheated and I stuck that in there. You want to let that cook, I'll say probably about 15 minutes. Not mushy, but make sure they're done and crispy. That's the end result. I did not show me making my broccoli, but everybody know I love my broccoli. Once again, I apologize for not showing me cooking a steak, but that's the end result. Bye.